some ackee right here, so my neighbor give me some ackee. I say in Jamaica, you know, when you don't have food, you just link your neighbor and your neighbor give you some food. So I don't know if you can see ackee them, but ackee they up there. So me I go pick and cook some food. Alright? So just stay tuned and watch how I go. So I find one stick here. This is the first one right there, so. So what go on, man? Wait there. And the thing with them ackee, you know, people, you have to pick them fast. Fast because other people will come and pick them off. You see me? Yeah, some man will walk around with long stick and thief off, ackee them off by tree. So, yeah. So my neighbor give me some, so me I pick them off one by one. That one, yeah? Mm-hmm. You're not fully open.
It's all open. When it bursts, it's alright, you know.
Oh. 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 Alright, so some more right there, so people. What's going on? I can't climb now.
Can't reach them.
Yeah, reach some of them. Alright, hold on. It's trying to come me. You know, me pick them. Yeah. Yeah, this is some over here, so. So behind the camera, people, I mean, neighbor hold the camera for me.
She want this though, Nigel.
Which part? Here, sir?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah, yeah.
So we do it in Jamaica, people. When you don't have any food, just link your neighbor. Because you have good neighbor, you know. But I said more around on this side.
Look straight up, you see. Look behind you, you see. Mine is slip, you know.
Oh, somebody up in the top, right?
Yeah.
I wonder if I can go up in it. Like a child climb the tree.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Look like a monkey up there, eh?
Wow. Find stuff in that tree, but then can't see me up in that tree. You see me funny clearly?
No, little.
Alright.
Let me see you.
Be up in that tree, people.
My stick right there so you can use it if you. One day straight out here, so too. That is yeah. Yeah, good man. Yeah. Careful.
Yeah.
Small limb, you think you're a monkey?
Yeah. Long time I not climb tree now. You see me? Watch it. Tree me there now. Wow, colors. I can't climb enough colors. But then an ackee tree. I pick some ackee. I don't know where I go cookie with. Watch it. I don't know where I go cookie with as yet. But yeah man. When I go see what go on man. So no stay tuned. Alright. The one that did pick already. Alright, we are looking for some more. May I come, Sky? Soon be there. Alright. Some of them way up. I think I see no more up here. Alright, so I go head down now. I see no more. Where I can pick. But yeah. So I'm going to stay tuned. I'm going to show you how much me get and thing. Wow. But nah, see no more up here. Think all of them that. Alright, stay tuned.
Put your foot on it, stop. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Long time I not climb tree now. Yeah. Alright, thanks camera lady. So we get here people.
What a dozen?
Yeah man.
More than a dozen.
Yeah man.
Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Wow. Get those now.
3, 6, 9.
Where?
Yeah.
Almost 2 dozen.
Yeah, almost 2 dozen. Not bad.
So, that's the thing can't stay long on the tree.
Yeah.
I tell you again, I'm not show your face on the camera, but you can just talk and make them hear what will happen if they stay long on the tree.
Alright, you see these ackees now, look. Very big pegs, you know. Them nice still, you know, but them soft. So you see as them open, you have to pick them. Right? Because if you not pick them by the next day, them turn butter. Yeah, but them nice and big and firm right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you just tell me about one next one, long stick, huh?
Oh, the long stick one.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just come early in the morning and him just pick.
Yeah.
You know, so you have to race him to pick them daytime.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
You're Akechino, but
Yeah.
them come with them long stick and
Right,
them pick.
and them cuss you too if you say nothing to them. You see it.
And try sell it back as well.
Yes, him sell them.
Yeah, I want to sell back the owner.
Here now, him sell me some the other day and them never go them toughy. So me I say, my youth, the ackee them when you sell me the other day never good, you know, them toughy. You're the boy now. So me want to know how you cook peas and peas so tough and you can't cook ackee. Him so bright, you know, me have to put him in a place, man.
Yeah.
Sure.
One
Right.
pick off a lady, ackee them and carry them back home, sell the lady. you saw some Jamaican unfair. You see, not even say, alright, mommy, I pick your ackee, then you want some of it? Ma sell it. I saw some Jamaicans, they hear people, we call him the long stick man. Long stick man.
And pick everything.
Yes, and walk with him long stick and
pick.
yeah, and pick them off. Alright, so let's stay tuned. I think I probably cook some seasoned rice. I don't know when I go cook as yet, but When I go see what go on with it,
Yeah,
alright?
I'm going to cook seasoned rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, because two of them soft.
Alright, so I'm gonna try cook some seasoned rice with it, alright people? Alright, watch what go on people. Today, I'm gonna cook some alright. So Sky says she want to help me. Natara says she want to help me cook. So today we're gonna do some seasoned rice. Right, with some ackee, some saltfish, and we're gonna cook it down in some coconut powder. Right? So as you guys see, we pick the ackee them. So now we I remove them from the pod like this. Yes, no man. So take them out of the pot like this. Pull them out of the pot. So some of them feel soft. It's alright, Sky, it's alright. Just like this, you see me? Take them out of the pot. And then when we're done take them out of the pot like this, we're gonna take off the seed and some little pink something the inside of the belly of the fruit. The ackee that we're gonna take out as well. So a lot of people cook seasoned rice different, you know. So wanna just comment down below and tell me how you cook food seasoned rice. Alright? Cause I see people add pumpkin, add a whole heap of things to feed them.
I like pumpkin.
You like pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yeah, Natara says she like pumpkin. But we don't have any pumpkin today, so we're not add any pumpkin in our
Yeah.
seasoned rice.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin should be the candy.
Yeah, candies.
Yeah.
You have pumpkin candies?
Yeah.
I don't know about that. Okay, first may I hear that one, pumpkin candy. Right. All who know that ackee and saltfish are Jamaican national dish. A lot of American, when it cook up, they think it's scrambled egg.
No, it's like that.
So, but it's not scrambled egg, it's a fruit. Yes, no man. Just like this. Pull them out. Alright, so Sky, for more you have to do for me. See these, more you put them in the garbage bag.
Over there?
Yeah, over there.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright. Some of them soft, so some of them we're not gonna use. Got them really soft.
Duffy. This one.
That one not good. So me I say, look, say soft and feel paka paka, yeah. So this one no good. Neighbor tell me say a butter ackee them, so with butter ackee soft. So these are the pink stuff that we get out of it. So we don't want that in it. And we take out the seed as well. Go and put them in the garbage. So remove these from the ackee and these pink stuff. So your ackee should be clean like this. Right?
That's how you see.
So yeah. So we're gonna get the rest of them clean up. Checking back.
Yes.
Just like that. So I want to cook tuna season rice, people.
Thank you.
Comment down below and let me know what you add to your season rice. So Sky at work. Sky at throw away the ackee pod them.
Who best this?
I break it. And the next thing with ackee, you know, people, ackee can be poisonous. You see, if you don't let it open on the tree, if you don't see that when you're picking it from the tree, if you don't see it fully open like this, it can't eat. Okay? So you have to wait for it to fully open.
Mini, money, my kisses, money.
But yeah, play any mini mini more. You want to which one you have to throw away first? We used to play that game though when them some any mini mini more. Catch a puppy.
This.
Alright, so we go cook on the coal stove. We're gonna catch it up as yet.
This.
We are clean up the ackee them first, and then we're gonna cook the ackee and the saltfish together. Some people like to cook the ackee and the saltfish separate. And then say them want boil out all the salt out of the saltfish. So you cook it, no problem. Everybody cook different.
This.
Right, so we don't finish. You take up all of them already, Sky? Sky, clear the table already, you know. See, one more there.
Down.
Okay. So all of these. Alright, so we finished with the ackee them here now. So now we're gonna catch up with fire for put on the ackee. So all of them here, I'm gonna clean up all of them here now. So we're gonna go and stay tuned, alright? Yeah man, look on the ackee. Yeah. So I broke up some bram stick. Throwing it. Just like that. Now we're gonna come in with the coal or charcoal, whatever you guys call it. Yeah, now we're gonna light that. see that now? The fire red. So we can put on our pot here now on there. And the saltfish in the pot here. A little lean. Put an extra thing on it, alright? So we're gonna make it boil up. You know, and then we'll add the ackee in it. Alright, make it boil. And meanwhile the pot are going hot, we're gonna put away saltfish to go and soak to get rid of some of the salt off of it. You see me? Because you don't know, say saltfish full of salt. Look. So that be a salt left on it. So then put the salt on it like to preserve it, feet not spoil. So we go wash it. We go wash it and put it to soak till we're ready to put it in the boiling water. Alright? Wash off some of the salt off of it. Yeah. So we're gonna get some fresh water on it now for it soak a little bit. Alright, so we wash it off now, so we're gonna make it soak a little bit. Alright? Soak out some of the salt out of it. Got it. Saltfish or codfish. Yeah, Rasta people them don't like hear this, you know. But look at it. So we make it go and soak. Pot on fire, make so the water boil up. Yeah. So ackee can go in that, you know. Right? So wash off the ackee as well. Some people now wash them ackee, but as I've been telling you already, everybody cook different. So me wash my ackee, right? So we go put it in the pot here now for it boil. So wash it off, you know. So in the pot. Cook. So put them in the boiling water. Just like that. Just like that, you see me people? So I put the saltfish in it. Really and truly, I saltfish should have gone in first. Watch out that. Yeah. Cover it up. We go half cover it. Because we don't want it boil over. You see me? You catch me? I'm gonna go and stay tuned, man. Season rice. Pot a boil up. I think we should have used a bigger pot here. No, that would have make sense, no.
It's a little pot you may use, people. But look, ackee a bubble up. So half mass the pot. That. Okay, reason why we half mass it, cause the water go boil over in the stove and we don't want it to boil over, you see me? So we just half crack it. And so yeah man, just like that. So you don't know, so when that done boil up, we're gonna take that off, strain off the ackee, clean up the saltfish and then fry it up and then add our coconut powder and some water and just cook that with some rice, you see me? Some seasoned rice style. I saw no cook food no seasoned rice, cause everybody cook seasoned rice different, you know. Right? Don't crucify me, say me cook this wrong, say me put that first, say me put that last. You see me? Remember me and a chef, you know, so everybody can cook but not everybody a chef. Right? So I'm goodly I'm a chef like you, but this is how I cook it. Alright? Just looking at it, beat a little spin around. Yeah. Yeah man! Remove the ackee.
Ackee?
Don't want ackee cook too much.
Yeah.
Right, cause we gotta add it too. Add
Mama.
water, so we don't want the ackee too sour.
Yeah, too much water is too
And make the saltfish boil
Yeah.
little longer.
Yeah.
Take out the saltfish first and then put them back in the boiling water.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. I like saltfish. I eat tomorrow. I
Take out the
eat
ackee like this.
I not like eat tomato.
Normally you take off the pot and strain off the ackee, the water. But so we are going to make the saltfish continue boil. That's why we do it like this.
I said too sugar. I see my sugar being
Skya sing out. Skya gonna be the next big singer in Jamaica. Alright, so we add back the saltfish. Let the saltfish go and cook some more. Alright, watch what I'm going, you know. We have my scallion. So we're gonna cut up the scallion them because we're gonna fry up the seasoning them here now. Season up the pot. Cut up the scallion. Drop one pick a gal. Cut up one onion. onion them, you know. Let's see saltfish here. Gotta take them out, you know. And then go pick them out. Just like that. Alright, stay tuned. So I don't know, we have to take out the bone them out of the saltfish.
No. I like it raw.
And take off all of them little things with the on it. Get rid of them. Alright, so we put on the big pot here now, so we are gonna add in some oil to fry up the seasoning and the saltfish. Yeah, not too much. Try level it. Try level the pot. Yeah. Just like that. So when you cook your seasoned rice, you can use anything that you have. Your pumpkin, a lot of people use pumpkin and mixed vegetable, but I don't have none of them there. So that video you have to use what you have. Alright? So use what you have. If you don't have it, you can't use it. So just use what you have, alright? But we have roaster noodle we're gonna use tonight, coconut powder, and you don't know, so we are gonna spice it up with some Maggi seasoning and thing. Alright, so now just go and lock in. Fry up with the seasoning them and we have. Onion with scallion and some pepper. You see me make them gonna fry up. Chew in the saltfish, you know. Fry up. Stir it up. So now we can add the water to it and make it boil up. We're gonna make it, make it go and boil a little before we add in the rest of the stuff. Alright, so we're gonna add in a roaster noodle now in the pot, you know. Right, a bubble. The roaster noodle I gonna get a little color in. So what do I do? Just strain it. Sip it. You see me? stir that up. Then we're gonna go in with the greased coconut powder. Coconut powder give the flavor. Just like that. Stir that up. Look now, man. Alright. Like, get rid of some of my lumps then. We're gonna go in with some chicken seasoning, right? That was a flavor, we have flavor I put in. Some Maggi chicken seasoning. Now put too much. Now use no salt, you know. We're gonna chuck in some all-purpose. Some good old Maggi all-purpose tonight. Right. Get that a stir. If you guys could just smell it, grandmaster. Yeah. So we are going to do now. Cover it up a little bit. We're going to get the rice washed. Don't want to boil over, you know. Alright, here we now put the cover on it. Try to go boil over. Look. Come for your close up, looking at it. So I go on. Yeah. Wash the rice. Put the rice in that pot here. Now we now put the ackee in there yet, you know. We wait till the rice almost done cook before we add in the ackee. The rice in a pot. Give it one stir. You could have add them noodle thing in here, but I don't want the noodle thing them in here. From the roaster noodle. I don't want them there. Right, so we're gonna cover that up and make that go and cook down, you see me? We have had butter in it, but we done did that fry it up already and oil done there in it. Oil done there in it already. We now put no more oil in it, you see me? So we make that go and cook. When that almost done cook, we add in the ackee and then stir it up, you see me? Right? Don't go nowhere, lock in. Food are go nice. Our night pot. Alright, so we're going to look in our pot, you know. Night come down upon us, so I have to change the camera. Got the GoPro now and go catching that recording. Alright, so got the rice almost done cooked, so we're going to add we ackee to it. Watch it. We'll ackee to it. And stir it in. But look. Alright, so we have the ackee here. Just like that. Can't hold this to me. Alright, so near the behind the camera you know, I hold the camera. So we're gonna stir this with the ackee, mix it up. just like that. And then we go cover it up back, you know. And you see, because through a cool stove we are use, but like bright. Yeah, well, we are going there now. We have this. No, use no more. The next one. So this you know, we got lift the stove and put this on it. Hold this near now. Right, put it on it. Put it over more. Yeah. So put it down like that. So your rice can steam. Because we don't want the rice, so I want the rice shelly and nice. Alright? So we have to put this on it. Look back in our pot again. Look in our pot again one more time. See it there? Yeah. So you don't know, so when we check in back, food are sheer and food are going in our belly. Alright? Just go and watch. Turn out now a night pot. Alright. Lock in. Done cook you now. Take off the pot. It's a heater come out of it. Looking at it. Night pot. So we're gonna share this here now. Come in with a close up and you can see. Neat. Yeah. No more than that. Ackee and everything in a one. So one pot, season pot. Yeah, look on that. Yeah. So when we go and stay tuned, I go begin on my one and tell you how it tastes, and then you don't know, so we go close off the video because at night and mosquito they out here wicked. Afraid of mosquito, you know, people. Cover up back a pot. So everybody, I go make Nina take up fear one. Alright, take up anyone you want, yeah. Alright. So I'll go on there. Come take up one for mom. Take up anyone. Okay. Turn out now a night pot. I think you should have put a little more salt in it. It now fresh you know, but you should have put a little more salt in it. But it's nice. Open. I'm a big chef, you know. Charles, my tongue start trying me to try a thing. So, if I do something wrong, tell me in the comment section how uno cook food no season rice. You see me? Make me know how uno cook food no one. So this is just a one pot, quick pot. lot of more people. Like add all of them stuff I'm adding it like the saltfish. A lot of people know you add saltfish to it and just add the ackee and the rice and some seasoning to it and I eat that and drink some water or some sugar and water. And call them bed. But yeah, take a bite. How it tastes? Nana, you want to come tell them how it tastes? Come on. Nana, come tell them. How it tastes? What it tastes?
It tastes good, man. But it's hot.
It's hot, no. One pot of seasoned rice. Man! Can you tell where it is, man? Can you tell you what the seasoned rice tastes?
The ackee rice.
The ackee rice. Ackee seasoned rice.
The ackee rice bad.
She call it ackee rice. Alright, big up on yourself here, people. And remember, like, comment, share and subscribe.